Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install WordPress on Bluehost step by step clearly. To install WordPress on Bluehost, begin by visiting the Bluehost website. Select the Get Started button to choose your hosting plan. Review the available plans and pick the one that suits your needs best. Once you've selected a plan, create your account by filling out the necessary personal information. Enter your domain name if you want to register a new one, or choose to use an existing domain. Proceed by filling out your billing information and selecting any additional features you'd like. After completing the account setup, you will reach the dashboard. Locate the My Site section and click on the Create Site button. Provide your website name and tagline in the prompts that appear. Once you've filled in the information, click the Next button. Select the domain you want to install WordPress on from the drop-down menu. Click the Next button to start the installation process. Bluehost will now automatically install WordPress for you. After the installation has completed, click the Log into WordPress button. You will be redirected to your new WordPress admin dashboard. From here, you can start customizing your website and adding content. Congratulations! You have successfully installed WordPress on Bluehost. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.